Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Looney traffic review video, I'd like to share with you a brand new automated daily traffic source from Dawood and Wayne. And Looney Traffic is where you can place one of your URLs on 15 different traffic rotators for daily traffic. So that's from 15 sources. I'll just come back to the page shortly. First of all, I want to just share with you some important information about this product. First of all, it's going to be set and forget automated daily traffic. And that's really important because you'd have to click any emails or surf any sites, and there's no monthly membership costs. So I'll show you the current price, launch price shortly. And then the traffic also includes buyers because Dawood is a six-figure earner with 25 make money online sites and a huge email list. As an affiliate, if you want to get your traffic for free or get into profit, you've got an opportunity as an affiliate to earn low to high ticket affiliate commissions, the highest being $447. And the great thing about these high ticket affiliate commissions is that you don't have to buy these products yourself. So normally in the industry, if you want to promote a high ticket offer, the product owner likes you to buy the product first before he'll give you your affiliate link to promote for high ticket commissions. And that's not the case with this offer. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so we're not making any income claims or guarantees, just showing you what works for me. And we've also got an equal opportunity to join Looney Traffic as both a member and promote the offer as an affiliate. So this is the homepage. There'll be a link in the description that will take you to this page here. So I just recommend that you watch the short video by Dawood there, and these are sort of the benefits on the right hand side here. So if you're not familiar with Dawood, he's got numerous traffic offers. This is his biggest front end traffic package ever. Like we said before, just one URL to 15 different traffic rotators, and it's newbie friendly. So these sort of offers are really good for beginners because when you first start affiliate marketing, you probably haven't got an email list. You don't have a social media following. You don't have an audience on social media. So this is a great opportunity to be able to get your offer out to a large audience that does include buyers. You don't need an email list. It literally just takes a few minutes to set it all up. And I'll come to the price down here. This is a launch price. It's a one-time payment, so no monthly membership costs of $12.95 during the launch period. And you can set it up in some simple steps here. I'll just show you in. So I'm going to take you inside the members area, and I'm also going to show you the done for you funnel as an affiliate as well if you want to become an affiliate. First of all, let's just have a look at who Dawood is. I buy all of Dawood's traffic products because a lot of them are automated, and if you've got a full-time job like me, then it saves you time to automate your business. Dawood is a top 10% vendor. That means a product creator. So he's in the top 10% of the Warrior Plus network marketplace of product creators. He's also an elite product creator. You've got to create good products, otherwise you're not going to be able to achieve that rank. He's also an affiliate marketer. So what I like about Dawood, he's not just a product creator, he's also an affiliate marketer. So he understands the needs of affiliates like yourself who are looking to generate leads and generate commissions. Top 25% affiliate, also an elite affiliate. And 8 of his products have been featured in the Warrior Plus marketplace. So great credibility there. So let's just have a look inside the members area. what you do is when you join, you'll get an email, and you can just set up a password to log in. It's very beginner friendly, and it does lots of videos on. First of all, it gives you an introduction. So the introduction video is where he explains the best offers for you to promote to get the best conversions. So it's his traffic. He knows what works best. So I recommend that you take his advice by watching the introduction. You can test your URLs with the URL tester to make sure that your page loads correctly. This is where you submit your URLs here. So really, really simple. All you do is send him a copy of your Looney traffic receipt. So what I do is, you'll get a receipt like this. All I do is I just copy these 3 lines here. I just copy and paste those, and I send them over to the email address here that is put here that you sent her, and also you just put in the subject line so Dawood and his team know that this is from one of his paid members. So your email URL, which will be your lead capture page, and then a copy of your receipt and your URL with that subject line. And then they take over, they do all the work, they will submit your link for you, and then they generally do send you an email saying that everything's gone ahead. That might take a few days, so you don't have to be contacting support all the time. He's a very busy man with a very busy team, and he's also got his coaching academy. Some bonuses down here. There's some resources for affiliates. There's some bonuses down here. He's very big on bonuses, and there's also someone advertising bonuses as well. So that's what you get as a member. Let's just have a look now if you want to promote as an affiliate and have the opportunity to either get your traffic for free or to get into profit with this traffic source. So you'll see here, there's 14 products. What you'll get is, you'll get an affiliate link. Here's my affiliate link. So you'll get an affiliate link from the members area. And then all you do is you promote one link, but then you've got the opportunity with all these products in a done-for-you funnel. Now, these products range from upsells from $7.95 all the way to nearly $1,000. So this is where your high-ticket opportunity to earn high-ticket commissions comes in. So if any of your referrals decide they want to join Dawood's Elite Academy, so he's got a coaching academy where he charges $1,000 for his members to join. It's a one-time payment, but you can't charge members $1,000 if you don't know what you're doing. So his academy there is nearly $1,000. Your commission will be 30% at $299. So there's also a recurring payment on that one. So if any of your referrals join the academy and decide to pay with the 3 payment option, you would earn 3 payments of $149, and that would be $447 in commissions. And then there are some other, each of these products here is allowing the members to build the business faster. There's reseller rights with the product. There's traffic pro bundles. There's ultimate traffic packages. So sometimes members want to build the business faster, and then they buy those products if it's going to give them more value. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week. I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about Looney traffic, please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description. if you want to contact me direct through email. I recommend you click the link in the description and just watch this video here. Come down on the page. You'll see Dawood and Wayne. You'll see the bonuses down here that you're going to get. Let's have a look here. So these are all the bonuses. So there's a lot more information on that page as well, rather than just this video. And then if you want any help from me as an affiliate, then my email address will be in the description as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.